Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to analyze your games on chess.com. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you in your PC. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type chess.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click on this login option on this left panel. And here you can enter your username or email, password, and check this remember me if you don't want to log in anymore. Of course, you can even log in with your Apple account, Google account, or Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging into your account. Or if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on sign up from here or sign up from here. Both will take you to this page. And here, of course, you'll just have to choose a username, email, enter an email password, and simply click at sign up. Of course, you'd like even to choose your chess skill level, new to chess, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And also, you can sign up with Apple, Google, or Facebook, like login if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of signing up. So once you're logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen or the main screen of the chess.com. So as I said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to analyze your games on chess.com. And of course, if you are having the premium plan, of course, you'll be able to review all your games without any problems. But if you're not paying and you're just playing for free, of course, you will have just one review per day. If you use your review, you will not be able to review any other game until 24 hours passes. Of course, you can simply go here and click at game reviews, and that will take you to the page that you have the games on to review their game or your games. For me, I don't have any game yet, so I'll not be able to review. So let me just play a game really quickly and I'm coming back to you. So once you finish a game, as an example this one, you'll have this option of game review. Once you click on it, that will open a new tab for you. In here, once this is finished, you'll be able to review your game. As you can see, you will see your great moves, your bad moves, and etc. And of course, this both will guide you to do better next time. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.